The budget phone has the Realme Neo 7X, the first to feature the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, using TSMC's 4nm process, with an Antutu benchmark score of 810,000. It comes with a GT performance engine to unleash extreme performance. In actual tests, the King of Glory game in 90 FPS mode averaged a frame rate of 89.97 at high resolution, and PUBG Mobile in 60 FPS mode averaged a frame rate of 95.83 at high resolution. It also features the largest VC cooling area in its class. The performance in heat dissipation and temperature rise is better than competitors. With an ultra-thin body of 7.97mm, it houses a large 6000 mAh battery. Under heavy usage, battery life is impressive, and it supports fast charging, enabling play and charge without overheating. The battery is rated IP69, IP68, and IP66 for waterproofing, and the body uses a reinforced drop-resistant structure. At the level of durability offered by the Tianyuan series, there are few that can compete. It features a 6.67-inch 120Hz eye-protecting gaming flat screen with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, supporting high-frequency PWM dimming and full-length AI eye protection with a 1200Hz instant touch screen. The visual and control experience doesn't feel like a budget phone. This color variant is called Silver Wing Mecha, featuring nano-level lithography mecha patterns paired with the Scarlet Flame City power button, exuding a strong sense of metallic and futuristic design. The 50-megapixel image main camera supports instant capture and live photo, allowing anyone to capture great photos. Would you say the Realme Neo 7X is appealing or not?